Hello everyone, this is Professor Tariq Al-Taib. In this one we talk about scope resolution operator. So what the scope? For example, in some situation, we need to control the variables. So for example, if I have int count 1 equal 100 and I have int and count 2 equal to 100, right? So this will be if I do cout now, cout the value of count 1 will equal count 1, right? Which is we do count 1. Excuse me. So we have a count 1. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same things here for count 2 or count 2. All right, count 2 here. Oops. Count 2, and this is count 2. And obviously, if I run this code, will be give me this result. Let me do it very quick. So we have no new so far. Run the code. Where's the code? Okay, it's running quite slow. So 100, 200, no problem. Now the new things here. What if I do scope like this? So this is like a local scope. So I have to do int again count 1 equal to 100 here, or 400. Now I'm gonna copy this line and count 1. What do you think the result will be? And also I'm gonna create another one here. So we update the count 1 for 100 here. So what this count? So first output, this is the first output. This is the second output, and this is the third output. So to new. So let us run this code, okay? So the first output would be 100, and second output would be 400, and surprisingly the third output would be 100 again, you know? So okay, 1 second. So here we go. So the first output, let me stop 1 second. Let me take this out because we don't have here. So let me do some space here, and equal, and equal, and equal. So again, 100, 400, 100. So what we learn from that? When I update this one here, it is local. It's not because why we have an end count. If we update, meaning with this new scope here, and this the data after we live here will be nothing. For example, let me do int count 4 equal 300. Okay. Now I'm gonna count. I'm trying here. What do count 4? All right. Give me error. What the error is not identified. So why? Because this is trying to access this one, and this one inside this scope only. So when you go to scope, everything's in this scope, between the scope, will be deleted after you go from here. So this will be valid during this lifetime only. This part of the code. So that's why we cannot print out this one. Okay. So this is the point. Second thing is here, if I remove this one, and meaning I'm use count, the count with this global scope, this one. So I'm using this one now. So meaning I'm override, I update the count 1. I'm using this. So if you have local scope, you can access global scope, and you call the variable and update it. So if you come here, you're gonna find 400 again. So see this result in time. We're running, I don't know, computer slow. There you go. So 100, 400, 400. So this time we have a this 400, not 100, because we update here. So in the local scope, when you upload the global one, it be updated. So again, if you don't using int here, meaning you're gonna use you call the first one, right? What if we have int count 1 equal 10? So now what happened here? So and ask count 1, it will be this one or this one. This will be local. Now this global, that's now global. Now this outer, we call this outer one, the outer for this loop, outer. And this inner. Right? I forgot the silicon here. Right now, if I run this one, so I don't have a 10 here. I don't have a 10. So how I can, if I want to print the 10, we can call the 10 by using 2 colon like this, meaning we need a global one. If you have this one, meaning you have a global one. So now this one will be calling the global one. Now this is the global, okay? Let me run this one. See, now we have the 10 here, okay? This is about the local and globals. I'll study this, so if you have any question, let me know. Thank you so much. Have a good day.